I am Professor Kavita Guge, and today we are going to see the important components of the image processing. As you can see here, this is the basic block diagram of the important components of the image processing, which will be consist of image sensors, image processing hardware, computer, image display, mass storage, hard copy device, image processing software, computer, and network. Now, what are the functions, how they will work? Let's see one by one. Our first component, which is most important, is nothing but the image sensors. Image sensors sense the intensity, amplitude, coordinates and other features of the images and passes the results to the image processing hardware. And it includes the problem domain. For example, cameras, scanners, these are the some examples of the image sensors. I will repeat that image sensors sense the intensity, amplitude, coordinates and other features of the images and passes the result to the image processing hardware. Now second component, we can say that in the image, which is nothing but the image processing hardware. In that, image processing hardware is the dedicated hardware that is used to process the instructions obtained from the image sensors. It passes the result to the general purpose computer. The diagram shows the flow. First of all, we have taken the image sensor, which will sense the image and which will provide the image to the image processing hardware. And what will do image processing hardware? It is the hardware that is used to process the instructions obtained from the image sensors. Whatever the instructions obtained from the image sensor, that will be processed by the image processing hardware. From that, it will be given to the general purpose computer or whatever it may be, laptop or anything, whatever you are using. Computer used in the image processing system is the general purpose computer generally used, that is used by us in our daily life also, and we know the some features enhance in the any kind of the computers. Now next one is the mass storage. Mass storage stores the pixels of the images during the processing. After that, hard copy device is also there. Once the image is processed, then it is stored in the hard copy devices, and it can be pen drive or any external ROM devices. After that, image display will be there. It will include monitor or display screen that displays the processed image. Whatever the process we have image by using computer, image processing hardware and image sensors, that will be display. For example, screen of our laptop, screen of your monitor, etc. And some image processing softwares will be used. There are different types of the techniques will be there, which will be used for the pre-processing, segmentation, compression, like that, and some algorithms are also used for this image processing. So these are the some basic image basic components of the image processing. Okay, thank you.